This is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Ford EcoSport, stock number 6916. It's ran from the 11th 2013 to the 10th 2017. It's a BK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a BK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front door, no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lip, automatic gear shift, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-speed vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,